Good morning. Hello, welcome to the vlog. I am starting off the week. Honestly, not feeling too well. I started feeling ill last night. It's kind of like my body's trying to fight this cold or whatever it is. I'm almost tempted to try, because I have a 3 at-home COVID test. I highly doubt it's COVID, but yeah, I have like a scratchy throat, and yesterday I just had a runny nose, feeling just tired, low energy. Luckily it's Sunday today, so I just posted last week's vlog this morning, and yeah, I'm just trying to take it easy today. And you know, I managed to get ready because I had to finish some stuff today, but yeah, lots of stuff happening this week, so I have to yeah, I'm going to feel better tomorrow. Putting it out there. It's just a one-day type of thing. This is sad, don't look at that. Get that and roll in this. So I don't think there is a limit to what you can take. So I did take one of these earlier, and I'm gonna take another one. I should just keep it out, and then I'm gonna have some of this. I made it again, right on time, on the dot. I have an appointment right now, actually, for some fillings.
Good. Busy?
Yeah.
Busy. You don't work in here, right? You drive somewhere anymore?
I work at home.
Oh, you work at home?
Yeah. So I basically.
How come I thought you worked in LA?
Well, I mean, I do. I mean, commute sometimes.
Oh, okay.
Depending on the project. Yeah.
For the most part, you work.
All right. That was that. I feel numb still. Right here. I have the best dentist, I have to say. I was trying to get him on camera, but it's kind of like, you never know who's comfortable with being on camera. So I was just like, let's just get these done. But he's so nice. I usually fear the numbing part of fillings. Like, I had bad experiences as a kid, but knock on wood, because I have to come back for another one, but I didn't feel anything. But yeah, I have to fill up gas right now. Yay. And then I have a meeting really quick. And then I have another appointment tomorrow for a checkup. Because of the root canal that I had last year, I have to do just like a yearly checkup. So safe to say, I've had a lot of work done. Definitely getting a Tesla, for sure.
It's nice. Approved. So my plan is, since I
This
do
looks
a lot
pretty
of,
good with the white.
See, that's what I'm saying.
Like,
In the tent.
elevate.
You know what's crazy? I've never seen myself in this car. Like,
Another day, another appointment. All right, let's go. Wait, 160, where am I? Fuck. Shit, I think I'm in the wrong building. I am on my way to Huntington Beach for the day. I'm spending the night there, and I'm excited to just get out for the day. I'm actually really happy to feel better. I know I said in the last clip, first off, I think this vlog's been a bunch of like clips from the week, which is pretty much living alone chronicles, but I feel like I haven't really talked much in this vlog. Last time I was mentioning how I was feeling better, but I was just, thinking positively because I was not feeling great. Honestly, today's the first actual day where I feel like myself again. Even yesterday at the barbecue, I was like 80% better, but I still had like lingering congestion. But today I finally feel 100% and I'm happy to get out and gonna see my friend. It was her birthday 2 days ago, and just gonna lay out by the pool and go to dinner. It's crazy, as I'm older, I like appreciate health much more. I mean, obviously, especially with what's been happening in like the last 2 years, it's just nice to feel good, right? Like even just being sick for a few days, I hate it. Here's to health, here's to feeling good.
Oh my god, a Boston Terrier.
It's the little things.
Do you see it?
Sure do. I sure
So I am just getting ready for bed. I just got back from dinner and drinks with my manager, actually, and it was super cool. And yeah, I had a really good time. I had a few drinks and I'm feeling very good. Let me just finish with this real quick. Yeah, how are you spending your Easter? How was your weekend? Let me know in the comments below. Hopefully you enjoyed this vlog. I know it's kind of random and all over the place, but to be honest, that's kind of like my intention with these living alone chronicles. It's just sharing you. That's kind of my intention with the Living Alone Chronicles series. It's just sharing with you a real week in the life of my life. Sometimes I don't want to just share with you like the boring stuff of me like editing and doing other like work related stuff. So I just want to share my highlights of the week. Some weeks are definitely more random than others, and I'll just kind of like switch it up. Half of the week I was sick, but the rest of the week I was social. I also have not been to the gym at all. Best product ever. Seriously, 10 out of 10. All right, I'm gonna log off and I'll see you in the next video. Hope you have a good rest of the week. Yes.